Yes, digital product family. I hope you guys are well. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're from. Guys, this episode, I call it episode, is about Waller. One listing, guys. One listing makes over $20,000 a month. It's an absolute beast. Guys, it's so hot here in London town today. Whew. It's so hot today. It's 32 degrees. Hot for us, but it's absolutely hot on Etsy too. Look at this one. 20 plus views. Boom. In the last 24 hours. Yes, it's on a sale, but crazy. £28 on a sale. Boom. Look at it. Safari nursery decor. Nursery Waller. Baby animal prints. They got all the keywords in there, guys, in that title. Boom. This is making over 20k. Look at it. Let's have a look at it, guys. Let's analyze this. Now, let me go deep into this. Check it out. These are literally just prints, guys. Actually, let me stop there. Before I carry on, guys, as usual, if you do love digital products, you love creating, selling, researching, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And don't forget to share, guys, because we all love sharing. Guys, check this out. Anyway, look at this. That's funny. Look at this. Giraffe, stand tall. Yep, that's a bit. Be kind, elephant. Dream big, little tiger, baby tiger. Be curious. Basically, look, it's safari animals with nice kind of words with it. Be brave, be unique, be the one, be strong, be tall, all of that. But nice, beautiful, baby animals, cute, on a simple white background. Nothing actually special, nothing amazing with it. Like, nice, lovely mock-ups are really cool. Nice mock-ups, guys. Cool mock-ups. Look, mock-ups sell. Get your mock-ups right. And I'm telling you, see that conversion improve. Get those mock-ups, guys. Look at this. Let's just look at this listing just very quickly. Look at it. They're giving you a picture of how it would be, what you could use it for. Minimalist style. Nice, simple background. And gives you options as well of what words you can use with the images. So, guys, it's simple. It's a simple thing, right? Giving you a lot of information about it, giving you what you can have, answering the questions, which I like. I love sellers that answer questions on their listings without you even having to ask a question. Because if you're going to have to ask a question as a buyer, you're not going to bother buy it, probably. That will lose a lot of customers. So answer your question, guys, with your listings. I keep saying it. Answer them. Look at this. And also, let the customer imagine what it's going to look like. Let them picture these prints, Waller, Clipper, whatever it is, in their home, in their place, so that they're able to think, that wall art works well upstairs, in the bedroom. Let's buy that. Let them imagine it. Keep it minimalistic as well, because that definitely does work. Now, let's check it out. These nursery prints, man, these are so cool. Look at this. This is making, let's get the exact number. I said over 20k for one listing. This is $20,088. It gets, oh my God, look at this, 216 of these sales. Now, if it weren't on a sale, it's $93 for these 6 prints. If it weren't on a sale, but it is on a sale, so obviously it's a lot less. 21 reviews per month it gets. Oof, this is a beast. 10,000 sales since it first started. Now, let's grant it. This is not a new listing. This is a 45-month listing. Now, listen, I wanted to also add something to you guys, because I know a lot of people they get dismayed, if they're not selling something in their first month, right? In their first 2 weeks, right? This is not a get-a-rich-quick scheme, This is Etsy, and these things take time. You're doing a proper business, an online business, and business takes time. You're building. And then the thing is, the sales will come once you start tweaking, working on all of these different things, and they will get there. Now, this is a listing age of 45 months. I don't know what the first, second month sales were. They might not have sold first, second, or third month. It's very possible, guys, right? In Etsy, it's very possible to start very slow, but then it ramps up once you're getting everything right. I keep saying it. You get the pieces of the puzzle, and they come together, and then you got that picture. And then when you got that picture, it just ramps up, and it's crazy, and it's beautiful. So be patient, guys. Be patient. It will come. Now let's just go back to this one. Like I said, I don't know what the history of the sales were in the first month, 2-3 months, but at the moment, so 45 months, 2 years plus in the game they are, right? But guys, it's absolutely killing it, right? 20K for one listing. Imagine you're living on that. You're living and more. It's lovely. One listing. And you know what it is? I like to study. Those of you that know me, I'm an analyst. I like to analyze as well. I'm very much an analyst. I like to make sure things are done properly, things are done right. Now, this has 986 reviews. I'm talking about this listing, 986, right? And I really love to go down and check these listings out. I like to look at the images that the customers got. I actually go down, look, it's got 200, it's got pages of reviews, It's got pages of reviews, and they're all fantastic. They're all fantastic. And obviously, the Etsy algorithm is going to favor this. Not only is it killing the sales, but it's smashing the reviews, It's loving it. Loving. This listing is loving life. But what I'm saying is, it's the easiest thing to do. It's the easiest thing to produce. Sometimes in life, the simplest things are the best. Simple things. I love cheese on toast. Simple. Beans on toast. Boom. I don't need to go and get something fancy from a restaurant. I'm good with the simple things in life. Nice little granola. Boom. So what I'm trying to say is easy, simple. Now, you know what? I'm just gonna do this now, right? And then I want to show you something else. I want to focus on a little bit more about the store, because I'm going to give you some more amazing tips. So stay with me, guys. But look at these. Look at these. Is there anything easier to do than this? I could do it Mid-Journey. I could do it Canva. I can do it a cappella. I can do it how I like. Now, I'm just going to go Canva. Okay, I'm going to just do it straight. Let me just do this straight. Okay, let me do it A3 size, right? A3 size, popular size, right? So let's do 297 420, right? And millimeters, right? Yep, let's create this quickly. Portrait style. Remember, portrait. That was a portrait style. This is a portrait style. Okay, boom. Let's go. Now, look, I'm going to do it like in 2 seconds, all right? 2 seconds, all right? Let's do this. Giraffe head. Giraffe head. Giraffe head, right? I mean, it don't have to be a giraffe head, but, I'm just trying to keep it simple. La, 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 la. What am I doing? Let me go elements. Sorry. Let me go giraffe head. Giraffe head. Okay. Now, what I like about Canva as well, you could do this. Like I said, you could do it Mid-Journey. You got photos. Let me just click photos because I want to like a photo style. I got a giraffe head, right? Very simple, very easy. I might use this one actually. No, not this one. This one looks angry. That giraffe looks angry, man. Let me do this one. This one's quite cute, actually. I like this one. It's quite a curious giraffe. Look at that. It's a curious giraffe. Yeah? And then all I need to do is add a bit of text, right? And just add stand tall. Now I could just use, I could do anything really. Yeah? Be curious, be strong. All of these kind of words to sort of that you could use, motivational, whatever it is, right? Go on a nice little kind of interesting style. I like B-bass. Let's go to the B-bass. I don't want it bold. That's it, nice and simple. Click away. Okay, stand tall. Right? Am I done? Guys, am I done? Yeah? Am I done? I am done. Boom. Share it out. Yeah? Download it. Yeah? Done. Obviously, just make sure that everything is good. And I think it is good. But guys, make sure that's it. I mean, is that it? That's pretty much it. Okay? That's pretty much it. And then obviously just make sure that you get the digital download, right? So, this is how simple. This is how simple it is. This one. It's one of the easiest things I've seen. But you know, this is like one of the kind of top listings out there that's selling in the wall art niche, right? It is killing it. Now, I'm going to go further with this, guys. Check this out. Let's go further, right? Let's go a bit further. So I'm going to go to the store, and I'll tell you why I'm going to the store. Because look what this seller's doing. Look at what this seller's doing, right? They got 65,000 sales across, okay? Now, look at what they're doing. I like what they're doing, guys, because let me go to let me analyze. Guys, remember, you got to have some kind of SEO software if you want to really do this research properly in the game, okay? Everything that I do, links in my description. Check it out. This one, EVERBEE, is a free trial, so, you know, see if you like it. Or there's loads out there anyway, but check this out. I'm going to analyze all this shop's listings. This shop has 373 listings, right? Now look at the interesting thing. They've started this store quite a while ago, right? And you can tell by when you sort the listing age, you get an idea about when they started, okay? So this store started a while ago, actually. And the funny thing is, right? Look, they listed things a while ago. Now this is what I wanna really help you guys with and get you to understand how the game works. And I'm using this shop store as an example. They started 94 months ago, right? That's a while ago, right? That's a long time ago. 94 months ago. Now, their oldest listing, which is this bear nursery decor, has got had a total of 10 sales altogether, but obviously it's not been making any money, right? Lately. So let's just have a look at this. What I'm trying to give you a hint at is that sometimes you will be creating designs or listings that might not get sales or very little sales. And it's very simple, it's very possible. So obviously, look, to me it looks quite nice, quite cute. But you don't know what sometimes people like. Sometimes you think you know, but sometimes you don't know. Now look at this. So this one hasn't been that popular, right? It hasn't been as far as what it's showing us. I mean, you know, it's got nice mock-ups, but it just doesn't seem to be working. You know, again, it's using the words be strong, just like, what's that? Just like daddy? Does that say daddy or taddy? Taddy. Is that taddy? Be strong just like taddy. Okay. So this one ain't quite working, guys. It ain't quite working. So, but what I like about the seller is they carried on. The next listing as well, this other one, again, 94 months old, not really doing much. Another listing, not really doing much, right? Okay. Check it, 93 months old, 92 months old. Look at all these. Look at all the monthly revenue, guys. They're experimenting with different styles. Here's a completely different type of nursery print again, but they've stuck to the niche of nursery prints, right? Look at this one, Wild Child, not really doing much, right? Guys, this is like an investigation. It's mad, because you know what, you learn so much. And this is why I keep saying to new sellers, don't worry if you're not getting sales, it's all right, it will come, right? Look at this, this is the evidence. Check this out. Look at all these listings and look at the monthly revenue here. Look, the middle column. Just look. 0 USD. These are 90-month old. These are old listings, guys. These are not recent listings. Okay? Sorry. Right? These are not new listings. Okay? But then look at this. The breakthrough. This is the breakthrough one. Look at this one. The breakthrough one, which is 89 months ago, which was the baby giraffe. Look at this, $130 it's making right now on a monthly revenue, okay? The baby giraffe. And we've seen the baby giraffe, haven't we, with those prints? But check this out, guys. Check it out. That's what I'm saying. Look at it. This is the baby giraffe print, right? Nice. We've seen it. Remember, it was part of the 6 prints, but there's no wording on top. There's a difference. That's the only difference, okay? Do you see what I'm saying, guys? Do you see what I'm saying? Now, what the seller understood is that the other styles were not working and then tried a different way of doing it. Look, the baby zebra print starting to sell. This one starting to sell, right? So sometimes you have to do slight changes. And look at them. Then you can see they understood. Look, the baby monkey is selling as well. $217, $350, right? And it was working. And all of these are starting to make money, and they're all single prints. Okay, so this is where the beauty is, right? This is where you can actually see the improvement, the development of the store, right? And things are starting to jump. And then the breakthrough came. Look at this. From 202, look at that jump to $9,579 per month. Because what it is, it became the collective, the set of six. Having a set of six catapulted this store's sales overnight. Like it went boom. And check it. These are the same prints. They're Etsy's pick. And they're not the same one that I've shown you over 20K. Because there's one slight difference. They are set of six, and they look like they're the same prints, but there's one difference. There's no words on the top of these, right? There's no be strong, be brave, all of these words that they have on top. They don't have that, right? They don't have that. But what the seller understood is that if they can add these words on top, those sales are gonna go through the roof, right? Which they did. And this was later. I mean, like I said, it could be something which you wouldn't even expect, and then it just catapulted. 2 years ago, this was the first day that they were starting to get listed, and there it is, the 20,088 one. 45 months ago, 2 years ago. Remember what I said? They're similar to the last one, the Prince, which is making over 9K, which is amazing. And these are the different. This is the difference. It's having the wording on top of these, which is there. You see that, guys? Do you see how small changes can make a massive, massive difference? This is a prime example of how you should never feel down or dismayed, but you should always be working and improving and tweaking, because you don't know that one tweak can turn into from 0 sales to, look at this, 10,124 sales over 2 years, 216. But look, amongst the other listings that this store has, there's still zeros in there. And that's okay. That's part and parcel of the game. It's all right to have zeros. Some will sell, some won't. Some will sell, guys, but some won't. There was another one which was about 7K. Look at this one. And you know what? Sometimes it can be big. Look at this one. This one is making 7,000. And I believe I believe this one. So positive affirmations, because affirmations is quite big. So when someone is searching for positive affirmations, they are going to be touching and seeing these nursery ones. So I can understand and see how the volume is coming through to the eyes on this kind of listing through nursery, because people are searching for nursery prints and also for positive affirmations. And they've just got this fantastic mix right now where they've met the two things together. So you got be brave, be wise. Look at that. That's smart. It's an owl. Be wise, be curious, squirrel, be kind, rabbit, be silly, fox. Right? So they've understood the ingredients, what works for them, guys. And this is what I wanted to show you, guys. I hope you took some value out of this video and understood what I'm trying to say. But if you did like the video, guys, as usual, hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share, guys. Don't forget to drop a comment below. Just tell me what you think of the video, guys. I really would appreciate it. And don't forget to tell me where you're from, guys. I love it when you tell me where you're from. I absolutely love it. So, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.